we have one more practice. And remember, you should do all these exercises because this is very important that you practice your skills as you learn them. In this exercise, we're going to work with hierarchies. So let's start. You remember you created a new item, the woman handbag. So let's put that into hierarchy fashion so we will see it. So we open hierarchy. Here. And fashion. And you have to select action, edit, hierarchy. And we are supposed to put your new item into accessories bags. So we are on accessories, bags. Here we're supposed to add it in. So let's do a new line. And then we find your new item, woman handbag. And then you just go out to the hierarchy. And you're done. Now we would like to see, do we find this item in our POS? So let's jump into POS. And we're going to go into the clienteling option. And shop fashion. Accessories, bags. And do we have it? Oh yes, it's here. And if you select it, you will see again the image, and then you will see the extra text you created. That's why it's so important to do it. You have some optional part of this exercise. Shall we give it a try? So again, jump into back office. And we are working with the fashion hierarchy, so we edit it. And we're supposed to make a new note called makeup. And we can place it wherever we want. So let's do a sibling note, and we call it makeup. And OK. Here it is. Are you happy with it down here, or would you like to move it up? You have the move up option if you like. So let's have it here. But we are missing something here. So note image. Shall we put an image on it? So we go to images. We find some images. So let's go full list. Shall we do group makeup? You can select whatever image you like, or you do your own. And close. This is fine. Excellent. And now we need some items into this makeup. So we are here active. We could manually put them in, but the exercise says put items in product group makeup. So how about using this add option here? Add items. And we are talking about a retail product group. So let's find the retail product group makeup. Select it and press OK. Now the system has added 21 new items into a list. You could continue and do more items, but this is fine for now. So now let's go out of the fashion and jump into the POS again. Shop fashion. And do we have a makeup? Oh yes. I select it. Do we have our items? Oh yes. You see, this is how simple this is to do.